Hey guys, it's all Redbird. Oh, man, car smashed. You can see it. We're gonna make a new car today. But smashing that one. And then here we go. Make a new car. Yeah. Yeah. That. Yep. Okay. Oh, Piggy got his 1931 racer. Dang it! I can't destroy his old racers. Okay, we made a brand new car. Alrighty, I think you open. Yeah, you open this right here, and then slide right here into here. Slide right into there. Put that over yourself. And then you slide this into here, slide that into there. Yeah, there you go. Now we got a racer. If you want another video, please text me. Comment. One like.